So I just got woke up from a fire alarm. So might as well sing. I told the moon I missed you. Somehow she already knew. She was there on the nights I left you sleeping alone in your room. A summer spent tossing. I'd get up and go sit outside. You were sleeping soundly, and Luna watched me cry. So now when I get lonely, thinking you were such a nice guy, the moon echoes back the words I once told the night sky. I told the moon I was longing for you. Silently, she reminded me love's an eclipse. We line up for a bit. Untimely, I should catch up on sleep.